Okay, welcome everybody. Today it's Monday the 25th of October and this video is a recording of the random draw taking place to allocate places to fish breaks long pit for the pike winter season. We've got members of CAPS committee witnessing this draw, and as advertised on the CAPS Facebook and website pages, we're recording this and we'll publicise this video on there so everybody can see the process that we went through. So firstly, also thank you everyone who applied. Appreciate that. And as you're aware, this is the second year we've run this process. We haven't been responsible for breaks for this is our second year, and obviously we're trying to take a fairly cautious approach to the pike fishing on this particular water. As we communicated last year and continue to communicate, we're all aware pike can be very vulnerable, and we continue to take guidance from well-respected people in the piking world as to the way we should try and work our way through these early seasons. But we have got a couple of changes this year over last year. So the two changes that we're making is firstly the round pit at breaks will not form part of this arrangement. So that will be in exactly the same as the other waters on the CAPS portfolio. You'll be allowed to fish it there for pike, but obviously just follow the guidance, the general guidance that we put out in the club handbook. The second thing is that this year we're going to have 20 anglers in each of the two periods. So last year we had 15 in each of the period, so we're extending that a little bit more. So in total, 40 anglers over the two periods will have the opportunity for fish. So that's the sort of preamble. We'll now get on to the actual draw itself. Again, we're using a name picker random name generator, and at the top here you'll see that we have had 84 people who have applied to be part of the draw. So I'm just going to quickly scroll through the names so you can see all the names of the people. These are in no particular order. In fact, the order that they're on here is actually the order in which people applied via either the website or let us know in person that they wanted to be part of the draw. And obviously we've removed any duplicates, so there's only one name for each person. And I think we end up at the bottom here with, I think who's the last person, with Trevor Peddle, who was the first person to apply. So as you see, we've got 84 people in the draw itself. Underneath that, we've then got the number of names that we're going to select. So we've got 20 names here. And then what will happen is once we've picked these names out, those will be removed, and I'll go back and show you this from the names. So we'll go down to 64 and then we'll repeat the draw again for the second period. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to do the first draw for the first period. The first period will be from the 1st of November to the 20th of December. So if I get here, so we'll pick the random names. And here we have the first 20 names. So the first 20 names are Brian Licence, Connor Newton, Stuart Attenborough, Jens Ware, Justin Towns, Kevin Howell, Shane Stanton, Samuel Chalk, Chris Southernwood, John Joyce, Christopher Haynes, Mark Hewitt, Dean Chambers, Sunhill Pon, Mr. Paul Henson, Steve Lyas, Dave Davis, Colin Riley, Simon Govus and Peter Snow. So if I go back to the top here, you should now see hopefully that the numbers of people that we've got in the draw has now decreased, and as you see here we've now got 64 people who are in the draw again for the second period. The second period is the 11th of January to the end of Feb. So we go down the bottom here and we will pick again. And the next group of names we have now got is Michael Taylor, Richard Mooney, Jack Bryan, James Falconer, Stephen Scrutton, Roger Campion, James Farn, Daniel Rigg, Trevor Peddle, Simon Nelville, Jason Chester, Paul Vickers, Bryce Punchard, Dave Stainforth, Cole Turner, Ray Newman, Ian Hersham, Luke Sheed, Peter Stratton and Colin Rolfe. So just to confirm those, I will email all of those successful people tomorrow. So everyone will get an email just outlining again the slot that they're on, and also the guidance and the rules that will be in place for this water. As I say, just to confirm that these names are non-transferable. All the bailiffs will have all of these names, so they're aware of who's in what period. And obviously, if you speak to the bailiffs, then I'm sure they'll be able to help you. So that is the end of the draw. Once again, thank you everybody who has taken the time to apply, and best of luck to all those who have been successful. Thank you.